Wrenching Boys YouTube channel.
Alrighty, welcome back. So today, what we got big plans, not really, but we're gonna put a battery tray in this spot right here. So the auxiliary battery for like the 2500 truck and the Duramaxes, I believe, all have a second battery that's over in this area. At least the diesels do. The 2500s, it's an optional because if they do plowing, they have another battery right here to help with the plow power. But anyways, here's your part number for your battery tray. It's a Dorman part. Go to any of your parts store. They should have it, or they can get it to you next day. So when we did this turbo over on this side, we had to completely get rid of the battery and battery tray on that side. And I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with the computer. I might use the 4.3 computer hold down, or I think it's S10, sorry. It's flat, and then it has a snap over top of it. I think I'm gonna use that for over there. Put the computer up against the inside of the fender here on the other side. And yeah, so let's get started. You gotta take this bracket out here. You got a series of bolts down here. Just gotta pop this coolant reservoir loose. And it looks like we got a couple more inside the fender here. So we'll get that popped out. I'll get this tray put in, and then maybe we'll mock fit the battery. Here's what we pulled out. This guy right here. This went down in like this. Put it in there, right there. Then you got your coolant tank bolt, and there's another one on that side. You got one 10 mil here. These are all 3 10 mils. The rest are 13s. Just pop this up, slide it out. You can see how they bolt in. It's about the same. So we'll get this other one in real quick. Stuck on something here. Alright, so this one kind of fought me. So if you're going to do this swap, kind of get it to go in kind of flat at first. Bringing this in flat. And then I just kind of massaged, just kind of pushed it around to get it to go over top of that stud. Plop her down on this stud. And now we're going to start getting back, putting everything back together. I'll slap a battery in here just to see how it fits and looks. And I'll get right back with you guys. Alright guys, we got the battery installed. I'm looking to find the part number for this battery hold down spot right here. If I find it, I'll throw it in the description of the video. But this is a stock battery. It looks like I could probably get away with a little bit more bigger battery because this thing looks like it has about an inch or two of play. So fits in really nice. This bracket will not be going back on. I don't believe so. So there it is. There's the install. Really quick video on the battery tray for your auxiliary battery, or you can put your battery like what I'm doing over here for your main battery. It'll be super simple for me. I just got to run a power wire all the way down to my starter, and then I got to get a power wire to go all the way around here and to my alternator. And then this will be easy too. You just take a ground cable and go from your ground here, just go right down to the block, and then you'll have another one that'll go down to the frame somewhere. And I'll probably just do the same thing like the factory did. So they got their main lead that comes out, hooks up to the block, and then there's another little wire that comes off and it hooks up underneath the bumper. Underneath this tray, there's another spot, there's a ground over there. I think I'm gonna do the same thing, just run right down to there. So it'll almost be factory, but not. So this is gonna be pretty sweet. I think it's gonna work out pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching another one of my videos. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Videos are coming out at least once a week. I make sure of that on Tuesdays. Sometimes you'll get another video, maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, or sometime later in the week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you get those notifications turned on, and I'll see you next time.